Hello friends, my name is Sarveshwar. In this video, I'll discuss how to generate new variables or how to transform the data which exist in Stata. So here we are having the data which is for years, electricity consumption, GDP per capita, and mobile subscribers per 100 for India. So suppose I want to transform data, I want to take the log, I want to take the absolute values, I want to do a square of that, I want to take a square roots of that, I want to take exponential of them. So how to take the inverse, these all things, how to do that? This is called transformation. And how to do that? This is very simple in this data. Uh, so how to do that? I have already written the commands for that. Suppose you have to use simply generate command. Suppose you want to create square root of electricity. So I'm using generate command gen uh, followed by the new variable name elc sqrt. You can take any name for ease of understanding. It's sqrt, which equals square root of variable name in small brackets, uh, parenthesis. So sqrt parenthesis elc. This is the name of the variable you want to transform. Uh, Enter. So now we are having one variable that is square root of elc. In this way, we can use all the other transformation functions. Those are very similar to that. So I'm just mentioning the command how to get the square of that. Simply put raised to the power 2, enter. And similarly, how to take the exponential, use exp command, enter. And then simply use how to take log, log, and then how to take absolute abs, enter. And simply suppose you want to take the inverse of that, you can do simply divide 1 by the variable. So this is the way, 1 by elc, enter. So simply generate a new variable elc inverse, which is 1 by variable name, enter. So this is the way we can generate all the variables we want: square root, square, exponential, electricity. Because exponential, they are, that is a very big value, that's why it's not showing it here. uh, elc log, log values, absolute values, elc inverse values, and these all are the basic commands. It's similarly we can use plus, minus, multiply, divide by commands to transform. Suppose we are having two variables, electricity and mobile, and we want to add them and make a new variable. How to do that? So simply you can generate a variable by adding two things. Here you can use minus, plus, into, divide by, and enter. It would be generated. So this is very simple in Stata. So this is the way we can transform the variable we want. Thanks friends.